Add egg yolk to the salt and you won't want to eat it any other way. In a container, we'll add salt until it covers the entire bottom. Just spread out this salt to make everything even. Now let's take an egg so we can measure and select where the yolk will sit. After marking the spots, let's take a yolk and add it to each part. In total, I used 4. Now, we're going to cover all of this yolk with more salt. Once done, we'll leave it in the fridge for at least 3 days. And look folks, how the yolk turned out already. Now we just have to remove it. If you prefer, you can wash it or you can use it this way. The main way to use this yolk is grated, to use in side dishes, such as pasta. You can also put it in a salad in rice, it's whatever you prefer. And folks, I hope you enjoyed it. Do it at your own home. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug to you all. See you next time and thanks.